Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the VIP rose patch without VIP. This one. So yes, you do need a currency item, but you can get paying currencies for free, so make sure you have that. And you are going to need this set. I don't know what it's called. It's like the flower set, and you'll need the eye patch. I'm just going to color it first to like an all black pattern. Then we are going to position the X at 0.51, the Y at 0.50, the Z at 0.53. Rotate the X to 0.80, the Y to 0.45, and the Z to 0.80 as well. Then we are just going to not scale it, and as you can see, it now looks like just an eye patch without you having to need the VIP for it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!